5 easy methods for quick weight loss. Losing weight quickly can be tempting, but it's essential to prioritize methods that are safe and sustainable. Here are 5 relatively easy methods for quick weight loss. 1. Increase physical activity. Incorporate more movement into your daily routine by walking, jogging, biking, swimming, or engaging in any form of exercise you enjoy. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This boosts your metabolism and burns calories. 2. Eat mindfully. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness signals. Avoid eating out of boredom or emotions. Opt for nutritious, whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Also, try to reduce portion sizes and avoid mindless snacking. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking water can help control appetite and boost metabolism. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses, 64 ounces, of water per day. Sometimes, thirst can be mistaken for hunger, so staying hydrated can prevent unnecessary calorie consumption. 4. Limit processed foods and sugary drinks. Processed foods and sugary drinks are often high in calories and low in nutrients. Cutting back on these items can significantly reduce calorie intake and promote weight loss. Instead, opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. 5. Get sufficient sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate appetite and metabolism, leading to weight gain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine, limit screen time before bed, and create a comfortable sleep environment to improve sleep quality. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.